Ahau. I'm Brooke.
Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news for the 22nd of August.
Today is Raapa.
Right on to te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is Oreti.
Who's in Oreti house?
On to health and safety news.
The signs are out. Make sure you look out. The grass is muddy. We don't want you grubby.
On to today's notices.
There is no gymnastics on today at lunch today. Can Mrs Flack see the Winton Flexible Four, which is Tuesday, boys group at morning tea in the hall, please?
Watties Cans for Good promotion is on. Watties can be dropped off at the office. Next week, the school council will be making some sort of sculpture with all the cans that have been bought in.
Year 4 to 8 Kapa Haka is on in the hall today at lunchtime. Make sure you eat your lunch before you come.
Can Dylan and Talia meet Miss Crowd in room 11 at morning tea?
Reminder, there's band practice on after school tomorrow. Make sure you are there.
All year 3 to 4 mini ball players, please meet on the basketball court at 12:40 for practice with Mr. T.
There is no ambassador meeting today.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S News Team, ka kite a popo.
Haere